My name is Rosario Martinez, a senior project manager with the Coastal Bend Bays and Estuaries program. We are here in Nueces Bay. Historically, Nueces Bay has supported various numbers of colonial water birds. Egrets, spoonbills, herons, but the populations have been on the decline. And that's attributed to the fact that the Rookery Islands, which are important nesting habitat, has been eroding away. The island has seen its better days. It's a lot smaller now due to wind and currents and periodic storm events and sea level rise. I'm seeing some terns, some skimmers on their nests. If they don't have suitable habitat, they come over here along the banks of the river. So it's a lot lower elevation, so they're going to be prone to flooding events, and they're not as protected as they would be on the islands in the bay. Whenever there's a storm coming in, like we are in hurricane season, all this habitat here is going to be underwater. So all these chicks in the nests are not going to survive. Also, another threat that they have here that they wouldn't have on the islands as much is predation. So a coyote could come in here, or a raccoon, and just decimate the entire population as well.
Do A99.
We have been documenting
106.0.
the decline of the nesting colonial water birds here in Nueces Bay. At one point, it supported over 10,000 nesting pairs. And now it's down to 1,000. So we have to protect the nesting habitat that we have now and expand it and make it more productive. We're looking at one of the islands that we are going to restore. We've acquired some funding to come back and put rock. The construction is happening as we speak. It's very exciting. They're putting in the fill material. The cranes are out there spreading it around, raising the elevation of the island. They've already placed all the rock.
Wrap this up tomorrow, and then we'll move to Island 5, and that'll take about a week.
Okay, well, it's looking really good.
Just a little sandbar is what it started out, most of them. Some had a little bit of vegetation, but not very much, of course. We've expanded the footprint of the island probably anywhere from 20 to 40 times what it was. The immediate results, you don't have to wait for them. Yeah, it does feel really good, especially when before we even finish the island, the birds are trying to occupy. You know, they immediately inhabit the island once we're done, and very rewarding to see all that.
It was barely above sea level, so now we have a good almost 4 feet above sea level, which is great. Whenever storm events come, it's not going to be underwater. It's still going to provide protection for these birds. So it's great satisfaction to be able to see it expand and just more protection for this great habitat.